that ditch over there you gotta go across.
There's another ditch.
Yeah, that's a ditch right there.
Right there?
Yeah, right before that ditch right before you go up.
Right.
You know we normally go straight across, but you got that ditch. Oh, this is good.
Got the Tesla right here.
Oh, the Tesla finna test it out.
See, that go river right there.
Might not be that high though.
I'm biking.
About this high. Might just be about this high. All the way.
Yeah.
He might be alright. Yeah.
That ditch deep as a motherfucker.
That ditch deep.
Where the ditch at?
If he get across past where he finna go right now,
You need to walk right there and see how deep
Yeah.
it is.
see how deep that is.
See, we normally go up over there. We'll go that way.
We're going right up that hill there. That hill too steep.
We might have to find another
What
way
happened,
around.
man?
Everybody's finna walk around there and see.
See, we ain't gonna get through.
This from all that snow. Everybody's like he might have a way right over there.
Hey, I told you we gonna run into this
It's good somewhere there.
shit. Yeah, I said,
We can't go across the edge right there.
Down where?
Ah, that must be a big hole right over here.
That's
Probably.
the river.
It's a river.
that's the river right there.
I'm saying right there at the edge down there with the water. Why we can't go down right there and get to the edge all the way back? And we gonna come back right here, like to the little eye.
You gotta go across that ditch.
Yeah.
Oh! He done fell in. Uh-oh.
You fell in?
Oh. It,
Hey, that's gonna take my whole from the inside and the outside. God damn.
it almost fell in that motherfucker.
I just told him, I said, Lord, please don't let him fall in that ditch. As soon as I said that, he was going down.
He fell in there.
No, not to try this, man.
How deep was it?
I went up.
You went under?
Hell yeah.
Hey.
Hey, I said, you know what I said? I said, Lord, please don't let him fall in that ditch. As soon as I said that,
That mother just dropped. It just dropped. Dang.
Shit, I done fucked everything up.
Phone still drying.
Shit dry now.
Hey. It was shoulder length.
damn weight
Shit,
shit
went
up.
all the way up the hill.
Dang.
Man, I started to stop right there and turn around, man.
You started sinking
I took 2 more steps.
and dropped. Dang.
Drop.
Ain't nowhere around. Go back out and come back in. Yeah, there's some sinkholes up in here too. Almost sunk in over there. down that door. He thinking about going through. Everybody's thinking about going through. You gonna float it? You gonna float it? You gonna float it over? You gonna float it? You gotta go out. Come back in. I didn't feel like I got a hole in these ones. The water just cold, like.
That's all.
Oh, okay.
I'm about to fall in 2 feet of water, man.
Man, it was something. It was a hole right there.
That motherfucker got deep on you, didn't it?
It went under. It went under.
I ain't got to hope Nick can get out.
Can you get out?
Be quick, it got on you quick, didn't it?
I said, Lord, please don't let him fall off that water. About a second later, did you hear me say that?
That's what happened to me yesterday. My uncle come out, I eat. Those was on back.
Hey, you straight, man?
Clean through his back once.
Oh, man.
Man, I'm on that motherfucker.
Nick, you stuck?
Clean through my back once.
Oh, he went through your back with him.
He was telling us a story. And I did as soon as he was while he was telling the story. It happened to me. You know, I was like,
He's there. He coming back up. He gonna pick me up, get up to you.
Water too deep. The river done flooded. All that snow.